I'm going to keep putting myself in positions to grow, to meet traders, to share what the market has taught me, and to experience new experiences. My last visit to Chicago was a lot of fun and very productive. One of 16 meetings over 2 days, brought breakfast with now our top developing trader. I met someone who is not going to apply to our firm, nor would I have met this trader if not for that trip to Chicago. And I still remember that 8-hour car ride in a hailstorm to meet our most recent, as we say, green shirt trader. And I remember that doubting, nerve-wracking air train flight with seats literally held together with masking tape to Indianapolis to meet a trader who I now coach, a trader who makes me better. I've got 2 full books of experiences like this and maybe another. It's one day at a time to make the firm better. It's one trip at a time, one email at a time, one phone call at a time, one chat at a time, one video at a time. It's one blog post at a time, one internal meeting at the firm at a time, one mentoring session at a time, one read review at a time, one meetup at a time, one office chat at a time, one trade at a time. And in time, we will certainly be better. I'm going to be better, and I will have experienced experiences in the course of a trader's trading journey.